Good morning, dear students. Our next chapter that is very interesting, adventurous sports. Youth today is getting bolder and more daring. This is reflected in the new sports events where a lot of risk is taken by the sports persons. These sports really test their guts and spirit too. So in this chapter we have to identify the sport in the picture. You have to tick the correct option. Okay, let's start. The first one is skydiving. Skydiving is the parachuting from an airplane. For fun, skydiving can be an exciting sport. Skydiving includes free falling through the air prior to opening a parachute. Typically, skydives are carried out from around 4,000 meters, offering 40 to 50 seconds of a free fall time. People jump from slow moving aircraft after flying to a height of less than 10,000 feet. The next one is very interesting, bungee jumping. This you might have seen some in some of the movies, right? Bungee jumping is very adventurous. People jump from high bridge, wall building or a hill while attached to an elastic rope. Bungee jumping is an adventurous sport in which people jump from a higher such as a bridge with an elastic rope tied to their ankles to stop them from hitting the ground. The rope is designed to stretch, not break. When the rope has stretched all the way, the jumper bounces back up. The next one is scuba diving. Scuba diving is a mode of underwater diving where the diver uses an apparatus which is completely independent of a surface supply to below underwater. The name scuba, an acronym of a self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, was first used by Christian J. Lambston in 1952. The swimmers go deep below the surface of water and observe underwater life and natural settings. Next, the fourth one is hang gliding. In this sport, people hang from a large kite-like structure that you can see in this picture, right? That hang gliding is like kite only. Hang gliding is an air sport or recreational activity in which a pilot flies a light, non-motorized foot-launched heavier than aircraft called a hang glider. Typically, the pilot is in a harness suspended from the airframe and controls the aircraft by shifting body weight in opposition to a control frame. Next is, it is also very interesting sport, that is skateboarding, or you can say skating. Skateboarding. People use a board with small wheels. Skateboarding is like a in this they have board with the two wheels. Okay, but skating we have to wear shoes. Okay, these both are different in similar ways, but in skateboard there is one you can see in this picture we have board, but in skating we have to wear shoes. And the last one is rafting. Rafting and whitewater rafting are recreational outdoor activities which an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of water. Rafting on certain sections of river is considered an extreme sport and can be fatal, while other sections are not so extreme or difficult. Inflatable raft is used to navigate rough waters. The paddler wears a wet suit and a life jacket. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.